Welcome back to Technoguia's video. In this video, I am going to show you how you can now save password of your Wi-Fi. The first thing we're going to do is go to configuration, connections, and we can see the Wi-Fi. Pressing Wi-Fi, and here in the configuration, we can see the password. Get the pattern, and if your device is Samsung, we can see, but they don't. Go to QR and I go to screenshot and I go to Google Lens. In Google Lens, take a screenshot to the slides and we can see the password here. It's very quick and simple. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more content with us.